Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you my supply and demand trade which I done today. The price action behind that is very simple. It's just supply and demand. Everybody knows what it is as supply and demand. It's like either aggressive buying, either aggressive selling. So let's jump to my 5 minutes time frame here where I get my my entries, and everybody knows I usually get the break and retest. Yep, the break and retest. So let's just put it like here, so everything can be clear. Step by step how I enter the trade, so what did I see here? Everybody knows above the Asia high and lows there is a liquidity. So what happened? They took out some liquidity, they come back, then they went up. Usually what I'm doing here, I'm just taking the short stops above here, and then you can target wherever you want to target, to this place. But instead, I wasn't at the computer at the moment. So what happened when I came at the computer? I saw this one. I don't know what happened here. I think that was news, but I'm counting that as aggressive buying and aggressive selling. So usually what happens when it's like that, this is a supply right here. So what I just was waiting for, due to the fact that I already messed up this entry, I was saying I'm gonna wait to see what's gonna be here, and my entry is very simple, guys. I'm waiting as a confirmation, a bullish or bearish engulfing. It depends where it comes. On this case, it's gonna be a bearish engulfing. So what do we see here? This is not a bearish engulfing. This is not a bearish engulfing. This is not a bearish engulfing. This is a bearish engulfing. This is perfect. You got two choices. Either you can instant entry, put it right here, and then targeting these lows, and you can get 5R. Very simple trade, But what I did instead, I usually enter my trade like that to make my RR bigger. So I place here an order, and the stop loss I put a bit above this high, and where I was targeting this low. So that's a beautiful 873. That's what people looking for in the internet. And that's kind of the trade. It's very simple, guys. What you could do after that, you could just literally take this sort of, but I was done for the day, so you could get this sort of supply or whatever, but it didn't came into the zone, but it's the same story, guys. Watch, boom, bearish engulfing. You could grab like that, 50% above. You could, but obviously, and you could grab still 3.36. That's pretty nice. That's the way how I enter a trade, But obviously it didn't came through. So again, aggressive selling. I'm gonna put it right here, but unfortunately it didn't come back. So we'll see how everything. I'm expecting this price to come here and then to move back down. That's what I'm planning to do, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, that's my small supply and demand strategy. So if you like it, see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace and love.